How to find laptop screen size. So hi everybody, welcome back. You may follow up the steps in order to do so. So first of all, open up your desktop and you need to locate at the search bar, and in the search type in system information, and you may just go ahead and open it up, and here it will show the system information. So from here, you can locate up your model name of your laptop and your manufacturer. So mine is Acer Nitro ANP15. So you can just go ahead and locate this option, remember it. And after you remember the information, head over to Chrome and you can search for your laptop's name. Once you search for it, you will be finding the results. So you can look out for the specs. You can look out for Amazon.in. It is one of the easiest method. So open up the website of Amazon.in, and when you head over there, you can easily find in the information. So you can just look out for the information. Mine is 15.6 inch. So you can also look out for that option, or you can head over to the website and you can look out for different other options as well. Like there are different other website that will give you the same information that you're looking for. So this is it. You may follow the same process in order to do it as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.